Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Grate 1/2 head green cabbage finely and slice 1 small red cabbage thinly. Julienne 2 large carrots and thinly slice 1 medium red onion so the textures contrast and absorb dressing quickly. Reserve 3 to 4 tablespoons chopped cilantro and 1 chopped Scotch bonnet pepper optional for authentic heat and aroma. Remove seeds to reduce heat. Rinse and spin the vegetables dry to avoid watery slaw. Keep everything chilled while you make the dressing to lock in crispness and bright flavors for assembly. Whisk together 1/2 cup mayonnaise, 3 tablespoons white vinegar, and 2 tablespoons lime juice until smooth and glossy. Add 2 tablespoons brown sugar, 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard, and 1/4 teaspoon ground allspice to introduce warm Caribbean notes and balance sweetness. Season with 1 teaspoon salt and 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. Taste and adjust sweetness or acidity as needed. Fold in 1 tablespoon extra virgin olive oil for silkiness. Then stir in 3 tablespoons reserved cilantro. Combine vegetables and pour dressing over them, tossing gently to coat evenly with a silicone spatula so nothing bruises. Let the slaw rest in the refrigerator for at least 45 minutes to meld flavors and allow the cabbage to soften slightly without losing crunch. Taste after chilling and adjust with 1 teaspoon vinegar or 1 teaspoon sugar if needed. Serve chilled with grilled fish, jerk chicken, or alongside rice and peas for classic pairing. Garnish with extra cilantro and lime wedges for brightness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.